Students, myself, I am Anand. Today I am going to deal about web technology, that is in fifth semester BCom students, for BCom students. Before going to web technology, you have to know about web and technology. Okay, web is nothing but that is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, it is a information retrieval system. Okay, for the it is a one of the main schematic representation for the communication. In communication we are using the web technology services. Okay, in communication the communication is main important for exchanging of information. Exchanging of information. Information is exchanging between two persons, that is client and server. Client and server. In this process, web is implemented by, proposed by 3C is a World Wide Web. World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization formed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, this organization main top MNC companies like Google, Microsoft, these are involved in W3 consortium. What is the purpose and what is the main activity of World 3 consortium is, which can holds and activities and customize the all the activities which are involved in WW3. Okay, na WW World Wide Web. Okay, before going to W web technologies, the main what is web technology? Okay, web technology is a technologies which are used for make the web pages. Okay, technologies which are used to make web pages or web documents is called web technology. In web technology there are HTML, CSS, XML and finally JavaScript. Okay, these are different technologies used to make the web pages and web documents. Okay, now coming to web technology. Okay, coming to web technology, by using web technology we can prepare web documents, that is websites. Every website is the combination of some web pages. Okay, every website is prepared by the combination of web pages. Okay, after that World Wide Web can be accessed by using in internet. What is internet? Internet is an intercommunication between two or more persons in a network channel. In a network channel is called internet. Okay, after that coming to network. What is network? Network is a some collection of hardware components, and software components. These are mainly used, all are used for web resources and establish a proper communication. Okay, students, now I am going to deal about web technology. Before going to web technology, first of all, what is web technology? Web technology means technology which is used to make web pages. Web pages are nothing but every day we are viewing in the internet, that is web pages. Web pages are in website. Every website is the combination of some web pages. Okay. What are the web technologies are comes under to make the web pages? Is they are HTML, first one. Second one is CSS. Third one is JavaScript. And the fourth one is XML. These are different technologies used to make web pages. Okay. All are technologies that are useful for make pages or web documents. Okay. Coming to HTML. First we learn about HTML. HTML full form is hypertext markup language. You are already familiar with programming languages, but HTML is not a programming language. It is only used for web documents. Only used for make web documents, and it deals with and gives the structure for web pages. Okay, it is only used for visual representation and a front ending design. Front end design. Front end design. Okay, and in HTML there are only tags are present. Tags are present. Okay, what is tag? First of all, tags are useful to make web pages for representing tags. Every tags can include less than symbol, greater than symbol. Between these two symbols, there is a there is a millions of tags are there. For example, if you want to represent a paragraph in web document, okay, we represent it as P. Okay, here P is called element or keyword. Element or keyword. These are pre-formatted and pre-described pre-formatted HTML tags, and these tags are useful to make the web document. Okay, this is called one tag for HTML. Okay, after that this tag is ended with this symbol. This symbol is noted as backspace. Okay, there are two symbols are there for closing of that particular tag is called closing tag. Okay, they in present in keyboard there are two types of symbols available, that is forward space and and backspace. For closing the that particular required tag, we using only backward space. Okay, these two tags are called, every two tags are called paired tags. Paired tags. Okay, for example, we take it as in every programming language there are total, and the total means overall execution takes place. For this only in HTML we only use the line to line execution. Line to line execution is there. Whatever the data are required to represented in the HTML document, we only include these tags. Between these tags we represent the text. What text we want to place there is called this is called tags. HTML is totally included only prepared only HTML tags. Okay. Coming to structure. Coming to structure of HTML. In the process of preparation for HTML document, you have to follow this structure. Okay, take it as structure. HTML are through mainly two components are there. That is two parts. That is head section, and the second one is body section or body part. Body section or body part. In head section, we require the in head section whenever we prepare a HTML document. In head section, we represent that particular title of that HTML document can be included. Okay, title of that what we prepared HTML document. In that document, we represent the title for that document only. Okay, if you like this, how can we represent the title in a document? By using this tag, that is title. Okay, if you open the title tag, that follows closing tag also represented. Whatever the title, for example, whatever the title, okay, whatever the title we represent for that document is represented within these tags. Okay, after that, in head part only, after that, if you want some styles are included in the HTML document, whatever that represented with this tag, that is style. After the styles are completed, we can close that particular tag. Okay, after that, if you want some programming concepts like JavaScript, before we tell that particular script part is included with the tag, that is script. Whatever the content we want to represent for that document, after that, close the script part. Okay, these all are comes under head section. Okay, in head part, first of all, we open the head tag. After the completing head part, we can close this head tag. Okay, within the parenthesis symbols that are less than, greater than, and closing of that particular tag. Okay, after that, body part. Body represents the only actual content. Actual content are visual representation. Visual representation for what we are preparing the actual document, web document, that is HTML. Total content of the part we can represent it in the body section with the tag body. After that, whatever the parts, whatever we want to include in the particular document or website, we can represent for follows. After that, close the body part. Okay, total these two parts are completed. Before that, what we open? HTML tag. Okay, after completing the total document, we close the HTML part. Okay, this is the total structure of the HTML. Okay, next. You can erase the, after that you can erase one doubt, that is how to create HTML document. Okay, total in communication part, before we telling that total these all are used in World Wide Web. In communication, total client and servers are two people two people involved in total World Wide Web. We are actually using internet. Clients are nothing but the actual users of internet. Whoever we are using the internet service, these all are comes under clients. Okay, in this representation, the total web documents are prepared by the server side. These are whatever we prepared HTML documents are supported by using the tool, that is web browser. Different web browsers are available from today on today's internet service. There are a number of web browsers are available. These web browsers can support HTML documents, and these are visible in web pages or web documents. What is web browser? Web browser is a tool. This can provide the interface for every user. Okay, next, coming to how to create web documents, creation of web documents. First of all, in your own personal computer or laptop, we can search the notepad that is available in every computer. Notepad or WordPad. In Notepad, we have to create the HTML document. Whatever you want to prepare the HTML document, total will written in Notepad. Total document is written in required whatever we want to prepare the HTML document with their tags. We can write it in Notepad. After that, after completion of your total HTML document, you can save it as options in file menu that are available in Notepad or WordPad. In that, you have to save the document. You have to save the document, that is with shortcut key Ctrl+S or save button. After clicking that, you have to give the HTML document name. HTML document name, like if you want to, for example, you have to create a sample. After that, extension with dot symbol, SHTML or HTML, and then click the save button. After giving the name like this, SHTML or HTML, you can click the save button. Then automatically it save it as in the current what we actually save it as in the document, that is with the name sample. And after that, it is a visible like the default browser, like a HTML page. Okay, after that we have double click on particular file. You have to open it on web browser. That is available in web browsers. Okay, after that we have to available in, okay, for example, Now you have to create some sample program. You have to write the sample HTML document with whatever I already told about. Okay, that document is first of all open tag, that is HTML. Okay, for example, if you want to prepare a web page like this with your college name, Chambers College, okay, only this name, this is your sample preparing web document. Okay, whatever it is, first of all I already told you, first of all if you want to prepare a document, you have to open the notepad. On notepad you have to write here like this. First open tag, that is HTML. After that whatever head part. In head part, if you require, represent the title tag. After title tag, what is the title? Not the title of, this is not the title of web document. It is the name of web page. Okay, whatever it is, sample. Okay, that is represented in text sample. After completion of title part, close the title section. Okay, after completion of this title part, you have to close the head part. Okay, after completion of head section, you have to open the body section part. Okay, I already told you, in body section part there is the actual content of the web page or web document, that is you represented in body section. Okay, for example, there are millions of tags are available in preparation of web documents, that is you have to mention it in some title, that is tag H3. Okay, and some alignment also, it is the attribute value, that is in the center part of the web page. You have to represent it as align equal to center. Okay, after that you have to represent this part, that is Chambers College. After completion of this part, you have to, whatever you want to represent it in the body section, you have to close that particular tag, that is H3. Okay, okay, total whatever you want to represent it, all are clear. Then after you have to close the body part. After completion of this section, okay, total head section and body parts also completed, you have to close the HTML tag. Okay, after completion of these parts, and you have, after that you have to save it as some name, college.html. After total completion of this part, you have to name it as, this is HTML, and this icon is available whatever the location you saved. Okay, after clicking that particular icon, this part is visible in web browser. Okay, thank you. This part is completed for creation and HTML structure and what is HTML. Okay, students, coming to next topic, that is text formatting. text formatting tags in HTML. In the before session, we already told about different tags available in HTML. They are text. Now coming to text formatting tags. These are used for the HTML document body section to format the what text we are usable or create in the document. What you want represent in the document, you have useful for these different options available in HTML. First one is header tags. These tags are useful to represent the head. Okay, the available tags from the number H1 to H6. If you want this tag that is in the form of H1 with the representation of less than greater than symbol. After that, you have to represent the whatever the required text in between these tags, and after that you have to close the required tag. Okay, these tags are differ from H1 to H6 with the differentiate of font value. That means that appearance in size. For example, if you represented in H1, that is visible. These all are tags from H1 to H6 are differentiated with their size. Size means with the height of the represented text. Okay. After that, next one is bold tag. Bold tag we represented as B. Okay. In between these tags, but start tag and close tag, you have to mention the text. Okay, what is bold tag? Bold tag can represent the required text in thick format like this. Okay, actually it is bold. In light format, you have to represent it in bold, thick black color. You have to represent the bold tag. Okay, after that, italic tag. This tag is represented as I symbol with the starting tag and closing tag. Before whatever the text required to format like italic, you have to mention it in italic tags. Okay, this is represented as some italic format. Italic means some bending in the text like this. Italic. After that, underline tag. This tag can be represented as U, alphabet letter U, and after that closing tag like this. You have to represent it in the underline. That means the outcome will appear as underline with the symbol like this. Okay, after that, next tag is pre-formatted tag. This tag is represented as pre. Okay, this is the start tag and the end tag. Closing tag. Within these two represent the what required text. For example, name with the surname like this. Chambers. After that, represent the college. The outcome will appear as Chambers in pre-formatted. After that, some space can be represented and it is referred as college. Next tag is text format tag. This tag, text format, that is typewriter tag. This can be represented as TT. The tag is useful for represent the data in the document, like in typewriter. Okay, these are the list of tags, text formatting tags, and after that strong tag. Next tag is strong. This tag can be represented as strong. This is starting tag and closing tag. Whatever the text represented between these two tags can be in strong format. Next tag is strikeout. This tag can be represented as strike with closing strike. This tag is useful to strike out the text whatever represented between these two tags. For example, we represented strike. The outcome will appear as strike between like this format. And after that, next tag is emphasis. This tag can be represented in the document like EMP with the starting tag and the closing tag. This tag also like as italic, and the tag within this represented the text can be appeared in the italic format. Okay, these are the different tags available in HTML that are used to format the given text. Okay, next topic is, if you want to represent these different tags in with an example, that is example text formatting tags. For example, if you want to prepare a web document like this by using these different tags, for example, this is the outcome of web document. These are visible in web browser. Okay, if you want to prepare this type of HTML, first of all, Chambers College. And underline the college located in Palkollu. Available groups are BSc, BCom, BA. Okay, if you want, you have to prepare this document by using different text formatting tags. First of all, okay, open the notepad and then write it as with the name college, document name college. Okay, first of all, open the HTML document. After that, open the head tag. In that head tag, before I told you that you have to mention the title tag. In the title tag, you have to represent the name of the document, that is college. After completion of the text, you have to close the title part. And after that, close the head part. Then after, open the body. In that body part, you have to mention the require whatever visible in the document. That is, first one is Chambers College. It is aligned in the center part with the underline symbol and bold. Okay, using this first, before we told you that different tags are available. Head part, that is represented with H2. Okay, this H2 is head tag available in text formatting. After that, in the head to in the head section, you have to align the text is equal to center part. Center part. After that, alignment is completed. Then after, you have to represent it in the form of bold and italic. Okay, with the tag B. After that, you also mentioned it underline U. Okay, after that, the required text whatever you want to visible in the document, that is represented here, Chambers College. After completion of the text, you have to close it with before last tag, that is with the backward symbol and U. Then after, you have to close the tag, that is B bold. Okay, after that, you have to close the heading tag, that is H2. These all are tags from H1 to H6, vary with their font size. After completion of this part, you have to move that part. This is available with the format like P, paragraph. That is also, there is no alignment by default. It is formatted with the right symbol, that is P. With after that, you have to mention the whatever you want to represent it in the document. College. After completion of this required text, you have to close the tag. After that, available groups are represented with the heading, that is H4. Text is available. Groups are, then after close the tag H4. Okay, after these are the different groups are available. These can be formatted with some italic format. Okay, you have to use I, that is BSC. Closing the tag I. After that, use another text formatting tag, that is stronger. After strong tag, you have to represent this text, that is big. Closing of strong tag. Okay, then after, last one is if you want to represent it with some strikeout with the tag strike. After completion of the whole session of the body, you have to close the body part. After the completion of entire document, you have to close the tag, that is HTML part. Okay, these are the how can we use like this different text formatting tricks. All are not useful, just whatever required for the preparation of HTML document. You have to use these different available list of documents. Okay. Okay, next important tag is HR tag. This tag is not a pair tag, means that you have not used to, not represented the closing tag. Okay, like this we have to use the HR, useful for representing a horizontal line. Horizontal line. This tag is used to represent the and divide the entire document like this. If you prepare a document, in the document total body content can be divided with the horizontal line. Okay, the attribute values are available in HTML. Horizontal tag is align. This tag is useful to align the horizontal line like this. These are a list of available align tags are left, right, center. And if you want to no shade for this horizontal line, you have to represent the tag as no shade. Also, you have to mention it the width or height. It is represented in both pixels or percentage. For example, if you want to represent the HR with the attribute values height, okay, height equal to 100%, not 100, that is 50%, with the quotation mark. Space width is equal to width equal to some 50%, and close it. With the HR tag, HR line, horizontal line, if you want to represent it between the some content of the document, then automatically it is align a horizontal line with these represented values like this. For example, total document can be represented with, this is take it as 100%, and in that 100% that is height and width can be 50%, that is like this. Okay, there is no one to represent the closing tag. This can be only single tag, that is HR tag. Okay, thank you.